Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you've worked in the Middle East or you're planning to move to Croatia, this one's for you. Today we're breaking down the key differences between working in the Middle East versus Croatia. From salary, housing, visas to daily life. Let's go. Work permit and visa. In the Middle East, your employer usually handles everything before you fly in. Visa, work permit, even your plane ticket. But in Croatia, you need to first find a job, then the employer applies for your work and residence permit. This can take 4 to 8 weeks and you can't work until it's approved. Housing. Most companies in Gulf region provide free accommodation, transport, and food. In Croatia, not so much. You will usually need to find and pay for your own place, which can take a big chunk of your salary. Salary cost of living. Salaries in the Middle East are often tax-free, and basic costs like food and transport are cheaper. In Croatia, the average salary is lower, and yes, you do pay tax. Rent, utilities, and dining out can really add up if you're not careful. English is widely spoken in most Middle Eastern workplaces. You can survive without Arabic. ما في مشكلة. But in Croatia, it helps a lot to learn basic Croatian, especially outside tourist areas. Hvala ti puno. Travel opportunities. In the Middle East, your passport limits your travel. You often need visas for other countries. But if you live in Croatia and have a temporary residence card or certificate, you can visit Schengen countries visa-free for short trips. Some Middle East employers overwork or underpay workers, and labor protections vary by country. In Croatia, workers have legal rights, but some employers still delay paperwork or pay low wages. So wherever you go, always double-check your contract and status. In the Middle East, the Filipino and Indian communities are huge. You will never feel alone. Croatia has smaller expat groups, but you will find support on Facebook, WhatsApp, or church communities in big cities like Zagreb and Split. So, Croatia or Middle East? Each has pros and cons depending on your goals. You want to travel Europe? Go to Croatia. You want to save more money? Middle East. If this video helped you, like, comment your experience. Don't forget to subscribe for more expat tips. See you next time.